So let's do a repair in this amplifier. Is already customer took it apart, try to check it. Well, he didn't figure out the problem. So that's the brand, DAYTON Audio APA150, 150. That's how the amp look inside. Big transformer, 2 boards, and this is a 2 channels amplifier. So the problem that the customer said, he said 1 channel it doesn't work. So when I got it, let me plug it in. So when I tested, the device stuck at the red light here, like in the, so let's use this channel here. So I just say plug it to the power. So let's see. So it's go red. And it should be like a go blue when it's work. But it's stuck at the red. So this is a dual channel. So there is 1 channel board amplifier, the output amplifier here, and there is another output amplifier here. So 1 right, 1 left, and yeah. This is the preamp and inputs board, the one it's here. And so if we look, we're just gonna, because there is no schematic, we're gonna figure out. So this big connector should be the power, the amp power, like negative 20 or negative 30 and positive 30. This wire here is coming from this board. It should be the audio input to the amplifier. This amp, so we have these 2 volume, we have these 2 wires. That's what is controlling the volume. So it should be 1 for the channel right, 1 for the channel left. The output is right here. That's the output. And this is another output. So let's check if there is any short in the output. We have to take the speaker, because it's going to test as a short if we have the speaker. So there is no short this side. No short this side. When I was searching for schematic, I see a lot of people, they have the same problem and didn't figure out how to fix it. Plus the guy, he said he has 4 amplifier, the same issue. He said he will wait for me to fix this one, then it's depend the price, and depend if I can fix it or no, he's gonna bring the other one. Yeah, there is no mark in this connector, like you don't know if it's, where is the ground, where is in it, and I just, yeah, I can't tell where is the ground. I know. So we can plug it and we measure the voltage. Yeah, we have the red light. So let's go in the DC volt. Alright, let's measure the voltage, try to figure out what the voltage is here. So minus 2 volt, minus 33 volt, minus 33 volts. So this one, both of them is minus 33 volt. Okay, sure. And what about this one? no voltage right here. Minus 33 or negative 33. Negative 33. From what the customer said, he said one side it doesn't work. So we can check just one side and see if the other side is gonna work. That's gonna be easy to unplug just this. This is what's carrying the signal from the inputs right here to this board, and it's go to the amplifier this side. So like now we are using just this side. So let's turn it on. All right, you see the blue light now? Yeah, so here we have a blue light. So we are on the way to figure out. And we unplugged this side. Now this side is not working. And we are going to see if we have the sound. So that's our input line. So I'm going to turn on the amp. It works. So basically the amp it works with one side. And we are going to figure out if the problem it's here in this amplifier section or the problem in the preamp section. So now we are going to connect to the other side that does not work. Of course we are going to have no sound because we already disconnect. Alright, we are connecting this side. You can see it's still disconnect from the signal. Let's turn on the amplifier. And here where the connector was connecting, so I can use a resistor. You see this resistor? I'm gonna pause it in one side and see if I can get out. Yeah, I got the sound. Let me put it a little bit up. You hear that? So basically this part of the amplifier it works. We have no signal from here, and that's telling you all the transistors are good in the amplifier section. Because this board is just like filtering the signal and sending right signal to here and left signal to over there. So by giving the signal direct to here, that's why I put from the input, that's the inputs, I put a resistor to lower the signal. So that's why. Let's unplug it. And we're going to see why this one it doesn't send the signal and why it's is forcing the amplifier to go in the protect mode. This is the board. So we have some ICs. So could be right and left channel, that's just the volume. see this one if there is a short in it. There is no short, but it's low, 13 mega ohm, so it's good. There is no short. And why is forcing the amplifier to go off? So let's plug it and power it on and see. Let's go to the voltage right here. Do we have any voltage here? We have 12 volt. That's not normal. This is supposed to carry a signal, not a voltage. So sending the voltage here, it may blow the amp. Yeah, why we have the voltage over there? That's what we're gonna figure out. Oh, I feel something warm here. Yeah, maybe it is. No, not the capacitor. I think it's the IC. So this is the two pins from this wire. One of them is go to this IC. And I did feel the IC is getting hot. Or getting warm more than, let's see. Yeah, this IC looks similar to this one, but this one is getting hot than the other one. And this IC is connected to here. You can see this IC. You see the alcohol? The other one's still alcohol in it. So this one is getting hot. Well, let me unplug it. So look like that pin is the output pin. This one here. So we shouldn't have the voltage in the output pin. Okay, let's see. Minus 12 volts, so maybe that's the ground. $14. Alright, the other IC, let's see. So 12 volt, must be this is the ground. $14. To here we have no voltage. Okay, so we have a voltage from 12 volt from this pin to this pin, but in the other IC, the same pins, we don't have voltage. So there is a short in this IC that's carrying the voltage to the output, the signal. So let's take that IC and we'll see if we can replace it or. Okay. So from here, let's see where is the short. So we have 0 ohm. If we go from here to here, 0.6. So there is a difference between these two ICs. Yeah, could be that's the VCC. Yep, could be that's the VCC. And the other IC, 0.6. So let's check that IC and We're going to test the IC, and it was testing a short between this pin and this pin here. So is the short still over there? Yes, still. Do we have a short here? No, we don't. So this is a TL072CP. That's the chip over there, TL072. So let's go look for the TL072. This is TL071. We need the right one because some of them they have different pins labeled. TL072 here. So this one we have the pin number 1 is the output, and the pin number 8 is a VCC. And in our chip is the pin number 1 is shorted to the pin number 8. That's why we have the voltage and the output. That's what is the problem. Okay, so let's check. Do we have the same short in this IC between this pin? How much we have over there? 0.6. So this one is a 0.0 something, this is 0.6. So let's solder it. Hopefully it's gonna work. So let's plug it and we'll see if we can get anything. Let's put this one in case if it's explode. We have the blue light. Yeah, it's getting hot here too. Does it burn? Yeah, there is no short. It's getting warm. That's not normal. Well, let's see. I'm going to unplug it. So I did plug the wire to here, and look at the light. It's blue. So do we have a sound? We have sound. Yep, we have the sound to the side that wasn't working. The chip is not hot anymore. So this chip, if it's not plugged, the chip is getting hot. But if it's plugged, it just works like normal. So it's fixed. And that's what was the problem. This is how I troubleshooting the amplifier with the basic tools. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you again.